Today we will make a hydrating face mist spray at home. We all know that how juicy watermelon gives us such a refreshing feeling in this heat. A ripe watermelon composes of almost 90% of water. So, its high water content keeps our skin hydrated. Sometimes we can easily make it at home and use it little by little throughout the day. Just as drinking this sweet watermelon juice is very good for our health, using it as a mist spray keeps our skin hydrated all over the day. Whether your skin is dry or oily, the DIY mist we are going to make today can be used with almost all skin types. We bought a natural mist spray with a lot of money, but we have some natural ingredients in our home with which we can make a beautiful hydrating spray while sitting in our house. Watermelon is rich in vitamin C, which rejuvenates our skin. Also, high water content gives us soft, supple and flawless skin. When it comes to DIY homemade facial mist, then an ingredient of the remedy will be definitely cucumber. Like watermelons, cucumber also contains 96% of water. This high water content is just one of the perfect ingredients to keep our skin hydrated. Over sun exposure of this summer can make our skin tan, whereas this soothing cooling cucumber juice is the perfect choice for that purpose. It is high in vitamins and antioxidants which moisturizes our dull and dry skin with its natural hydrating properties. We all know how good this cucumber juice is when applying every day. It makes our skin blemish and freckles free and keeps our skin healthy all the time. Again, we will take 2 teaspoons of this pure organic cucumber juice to make our remedy more effective. Now let's take a look at our facial scars and spots a little. We all know that potato juice is very beneficial for its skin lightening and skin brightening properties. Also, this natural raw vegetable is loaded with many essential micronutrients like vitamin A, C, B, iron and phosphorus. So, routinely use of this ingredient removes dark spots, uneven texture and gives us a healthy younger looking effect gradually. We often hear that drinking potato juice keeps our body hydrated. But using it from the outside also keeps our facial skin equally fresh. We often looking for the DIY face moisturizer with some natural homemade ingredients. So, why delay? Today, you can make it at home and enjoy the beautiful glowing skin naturally. This time we will take 1 teaspoon of this potato juice. We will pour it in a mist spray bottle. We can use it all day. Just spray it all over your face and even keep it in the fridge until the next day to apply.